governor and the acting county secretary from decided decisions and the law. This court is funked as official after the delivery of the judgment. As we stand before this court, jurisdiction is everything, which are well guided by the law and decided cases. That, my lord, with due respect, you don't have jurisdiction.
Now, what application is before the court?
The application before the court is a contempt.
Is a contempt.
A contempt.
Do I have jurisdiction over that?
You don't have jurisdiction by the fact that these are two parties who are being sneaked into pleadings, who were not initially in the pleadings, my lord. Governor Simba Paul Arati and Umbasa were not in the initial pleadings where you chased me out of the matter with my client, Christopher.
Mr. Marada, let's not do this. Let's not do this matter with some bit of.
My lord, I'm praying for directions.
Yes.
I'm well guided.
And those are the directions. Forget about what happened in the past, because let me not say much. Because I was also wounded in a way. But I want us to do this.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Morara, you are a resident of Kisi.
I am, my
Correct?
lord.
You are a resident of Kisi.
Yes, my lord.
Are you happy when you go home at 7 p.m., you see people at Kiroka, your cousins, your sisters and brothers, your mothers, your aunties, pelting one another with stones? Are you happy?
I'm not happy.
You are not happy. Now, if this court can, first of all, deal with that issue, would you be happy?
I could be happy, my lord. And
no. Let's go slowly. You would be happy. Whether at the end of the day, I will say I have jurisdiction or I have no jurisdiction. Will you not be happy if the people of Kiroka are doing business at peace? So let's sort out that issue first before we give directions on this.
My lord, you can leave, I can be around.
Yes.
The judgment.
Talks about the 1992.
We have, what you say to your lordship is that the boundaries were already established as per the visit we made.
Yes.
But pursuant to the issue of revenue allocation or collection, we proceed as per the charter or the service agreement of 2015.
Is that what the document says?
Yes, my lord.
Is that what the document says?
Yes.
Service collection.
Because if we give effect the service agreement, then we go by what they are already.
No. Is that what the document says?
Yes,
no.
no.
That's not what it says.
The lordship, we are going to argue an application which we are saying.
Okay,
This application is going to criticize our minds.
Because we want to know the status quo.
The status quo, your lordship, I told you, which is now prevailing on the ground.
Yes.
And we have peace. Let that peace be there. If Mr. Maiche wants to argue his application, your lordship, you have given directions. We are going to open another avenue for...
No. I remember me saying we follow the 1992 Act, which defines the boundaries.
Your lordship, that is what we are going to argue in this application. We have said we are not going to argue the application. Let this be where peace is
I've made my order.
as now.
Okay, I've made my order.
If we go on this way, we are going to go anyway.
That the respective revenue collectors will also continue collecting revenue on their respective jurisdictions. The respective jurisdiction is set by law, not by what is prevailing. So we leave it at that. And if we mislead our respective clients on the interpretation of that, then we are the problem. So we leave it at that. Then, so mention on that here. I hope you are not going to.
Your Lordship, for avoidance of doubt, and that is very important for peace to prevail in Karoka. For avoidance of doubt, what is the respective jurisdiction which the revenue collection officers are going to stick to?
The one with the judgment.
Thank you.
The one with the judgment.
Thank you,
The
Governor.
one with the judgment.
That is what I wanted to mention.
So we mentioned the matter. We can dispense with the excellencies. But it's much more than agreeable. So if they don't meet, I'll bring you up. True, Mr. Arati. If the two of you don't meet, it's not because of you. It will either be because Mr. Morara advised you otherwise, or because His Excellency almost Yeriko refused. But it's good. It's good that the people of the Ababisi community see you.
Therefore, both Nyamira and the chiefs, I took on their behalf, and I have their interests at heart.
Good. I like that. Do I have the interests of the Ababisi at heart?
Yes.
Not what you have been told by Mr. Morara. Do I have the interests of the Ababisi at heart? Okay, so just make sure they come to court when they are called, and when they are told to settle matters, let them settle those matters. Even if you do not have money, the court can always extend time so that you get to the next budget year and the next financial year and you pay them. Because they are our people. These are our people. They are our voters. They are the people we represent. They are the people we lead.
Tubasakuga ni muntu ndimensi anyare kutubagana. Iko amabuli, amabuli aro no Nyamira ngega anyaro na nje toro na.
Tu eri monto veke te mata.
Na no monogeli bomo busi, I'll make sure talinga siasa talikirwa ngoja kuboli Nyamira lakini senge nje no monogeli bomo busi. Chiambrera, chibag chiabana na kiregen injenge abashira babo diukiga balete mo wanja moyo bakanjira mo ratokona biya mono nyasaya benainwe
Lendere diuki
no mundo
eri monto veke te mata.
na no monogeli bomo busi I'll make sure talinga siasa talikirwa ngoja kuboli Nyamira lakini senge nje no monogeli bomo busi chiambrera chibag chiabana na kiregen injenge abashira babo diukiga balete mo wanja moyo
Bakanjira mo ratokona
biya mono nyasaya benainwe
Lendere diuki
no mundo